All right, so this is OBS, right? So a big thing, studio mode. It's good. This is going to be the default, right? So you're going to want to hit studio mode, so you can kind of see where your stream is, and if you change it. Now I'm going to delete this stuff for now, so I can show you how to add different things. And um, all right, so if I hit transition, there's nothing on here, right? So sources, this is where you want to put the things that we made on Canva or the things that you made on Pixlr. So I'm just gonna grab a Twitch overlay, and um, then we'll talk about like what we could do a little differently. Just let me um, home. See what I grabbed from here recently. All right, I haven't done any overlays. All right, I'll just I'll just grab one of theirs, and then I'll tell you what you have to why we're using both. So I got a Twitch overlay. I'm not gonna do it on Canva. I'm just gonna download one, and then we could see the problem, and then we could start working on it. Um, I just want a plain one. All right, so I have an overlay. I gotta hit plus, right, and then image. So we want to make it visible, and then I gotta browse my computer, and I just did it to let me just download something real quick. All right, so now I have this overlay, right? The only thing that's kind of troubling about this is I want to put, my sources like behind it. So I'm just gonna real quick stream. I'll show you how to stream a video. I'll show then the game or website. So say you wanted to stream one of these, uh, you know. So I'm gonna do browser, right? I'm gonna call it browser. I'm gonna copy the URL. All right, so this is my school's Twitch, right? So we see a Rocket League game that we played a while ago. Now I'm gonna I throw the image over, but I can't see it, right? Like this is the layers and stuff, so I can't see it. So I have to get rid of this, right? So how am I gonna do that? Hopefully it still shows. We did Pixlr the other day. And then we did edit. Then I'm going to open an image. And then, all right. All right. So that's one way. Like, I don't like this that much, but, you know, you could start, deleting those things from there. And then you could add your own stuff. I'll leave it for now. But this is like where we would file, open, and then you would find your like logo that you made the other day. So maybe I would make a logo. Okay, so now, fine, I'm gonna file. I want to export. Uh, oops, file export. I'm gonna replace it just for the fact that It's fine. Don't worry about it. All right. So now, instead of having this one, I'm going to delete because I know that image isn't good. Then I go back and then I do image and then okay, browse, and it's going to have the same name, but now it did work, right? It's just this isn't like you wouldn't stream a stream, right? You put your gameplay in there, and I don't know if this is a great like if you're streaming a game, maybe you probably import your camera. Where am I at? Video capture, is that gonna turn on? So you would import that, right? I'm gonna delete it for now, but you're gonna do it on yours. You'd probably put that there and organize it that way, right? Then I hit transition, it goes there, and when you're ready, you can either start recording or start streaming. All right, so this is like the basic of using what we did together. So that's how we're using these two things.